The Cane Creek Ranch's 880 acres is a productive grass ranch with Bermuda, fescue, clovers, and native mixed grasses. The property is 70% open pasture and is fenced and cross-fenced, with the NRCS indicating nearly 20,000 tons of vegetation produced on a normal year. Carrying capacity is estimated from 227 to 250 pairs depending on management and weather. There are several cattle markets nearby such as McAllister, Muskogee, Tulsa, Okmulgee, Oklahoma City, and Joplin, Missouri. There are 4 county road access points for all-season equipment moving, and the ranch features 11 ponds and 2 full-time creeks. There is excellent hunting along Cane Creek for trophy deer, turkey, squirrels, and other indigenous wildlife. The ranch also features shale gravel deposits that could be sold or used for roads throughout the ranch. The 1930s 2-story house has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. This structure is built of concrete walls and ceilings appear to be very solid. It would make an ideal guest cabin, hunting lodge, or storage. Come view the Cane Creek 880 acres.